My company's name is Skylight.ie. I'm the Irish element of Express Bifolds. So I'm their sole agent in Ireland, the Republic of Ireland, and we use all their products from bowling sliding doors to windows, skylights, so pretty much the full range of products that they have in the UK, we offer to the Irish clientele in Ireland. This is a relationship that's going back maybe 12 years, so we would be nearly at the very start or the inception of Express Bifolds. So we're going way back. We built a relationship with Express over those years, and to be honest, dealing with them is the best way to put it. Very professional company, super quick delivery times, very, very high-end products, and all those, when they're tailored together, make for business being done at a real ease through using Express. We have a rather large showroom, not similar to this showroom here. It's some 11,000 square foot in Dublin, in the centre of Dublin, and it's developed very similar to this showroom here. For us, it was a game changer, because the concept that Express had, the way they show all the products in situ, the way they should be seen in your home. You come here, you can see that process, you can see them, you can feel them, you can get an idea of scale, how the product works, see the sidelines, see the colours. You can effectively come here and design your product in the showroom based on what you're seeing. And everything is done with such ease, and it just makes it so much easier when you're buying a product that you can see and feel it. And it's a lot to do with scale. So when you see it in full scale, it helps so much. To say that they're professional would be putting it mildly. They're super, super professional, super, super helpful. It's nearly like, even though we are a separate company, we are part of Express, because of the backup service that they offer. It's second to none. Express pride themselves on cherry picking and selecting some of the highest and best brands that are available within the glazing industry. And a lot of those products, when you see and feel them, decision is made, because when you see and feel them and you can see how they operate, the simplicity of the product, the time scale of the product, the backup service that comes with Express, all these things are big ticks on boxes that people are looking to tick. And to be honest with you, I can't recommend dealing with them highly enough. Yes, I am their agent in Ireland, but I wouldn't be where I am without the backup from Express. They've made the company I am.